Wow!
Are you talking to me?
Of course I'm talking to you. What are you doing in my land?
Is this not one of those useless chiefs that follow you to the palace?
You know him.
Why are you shouting? Stop raising your voice at this poverty-stricken man. Get into the car. You deal with him later. Please.
Yamwe, I'll see you. We'll meet.
Please, get into
Come to inspect the land that doesn't belong to you? Oh, gee. I'll see you tomorrow. My contractor, it starts from this very tree to that other one.
You mean that tree?
Yeah, this tree.
Okay, sir.
Then down this way to this very spot. I want to build an hospital. You know, my people normally go to the first village for medical attention. And I don't like it. So we want to do this.
You know, to build an hospital is not an easy thing. It costs you a lot of money.
I have been preparing for this. What are you doing? What are you doing? You smell my what? Come on, get the bastard! Get the bastard! I told you! I don't tell you that I'm coming.
Boys, take him!
Look at you!
Look at how you're running off! What are you doing?
Get it!
No, baby, leave him alone!
My king.
Chief Eweka. You're welcome.
Oh my God. You look much younger than the last time I saw you. I know. The queen had taken real good care of you.
Well, thanks be to the gods. This one that you brought this, are you celebrating anything or what?
My king, these are nothing. Not at all. These are nothing. Actually, I'm here for a very important discussion. And I want it to be in my favor. Yes.
Go ahead, let's hear it.
My king, can you recall that land that belongs to Chief Obasu?
Late Obasu.
Late Obasu, my king.
I heard the son that inherited Osawaru, that he wants to sell it. You want to buy it?
No, king. Far from that.
And what about the land?
My king, that land is very fertile. And remember the white men that came the other time? They wanted to buy the land and build a factory on it.
Yes.
And on my way here, I saw Chief Osawaru, a contractor, like working on the land. And let's not forget my king. Here's a gift for you, a token gift of $500,000 for you. That's my king. I want you to judge the matter, my friend.
Well, there's no problem at all. You come back to the palace tomorrow.
My king.
I will certainly give judgment in your favor.
My king. That's my king.
Send me well to your wife and children.
I will. Boys, let's go.
Tell the others to send this one. Chiefs, thank you for coming. I sent for you. It's because of this case at hand, this land dispute. Chief Eweka and Chief Osawaru. I'm getting more confused. What are your opinions?
My king, everybody knew that land belongs to Chief Osawaru. Next, he inherited that land from his late father. My king, you know what to do.
You will believe so too.
Long live my king. The land belongs to Chief Eweka. You know it's the truth. My king, I will be too young. But reports I heard from my late father proves that the land belongs to Chief Eweka.
Well, it's okay. See, we are men of integrity. I give you a measure. It can be seen to be perpetrating lies on people. So, I want both of you to go out, do your findings properly. You also carry out your research. Leave no stone. I want the truth, because we must speak as men of integrity. The pit is not made for liars.
My king, before sunset tomorrow, shall get back.
Thank you very much. I give you a measure. You may go.
That land belongs to me. The land belongs to me. I wonder why Chief Osawaru is dragging the land with me.
Sit down! Everybody knows that land belongs to Chief Osawaru. I said sit down.
We shall see.
Total.
We shall see.
Sit down.
That land is mine. And no one can take my head down. We shall
Not
see.
even Chief Eweka. The king is here.
Don't be back. Don't be away.
You're all welcome. Please sit down. I called all of you here today because of the case between Chief Eweka and Chief Osawaru. He's Chief Osawaru.
Okay. Chief Osawaru, and I buy best thing that they are not here now.
It's okay. Now that the rest of us are here, Chief Eweka, please talk to us.
My king, Chief Ozigbo and Chief Apa, they are living witnesses to it. When I bought the land from his father, the father came to me and complained that the wife was sick and needed money to treat the wife. I bought the land from the father.
Chief Eweka, is that all?
Yes, my king.
Chief Osawaru, please address us.
My king, it beats my imagination to hear Chief Eweka talking in this manner, saying that he bought the land from my late father. I can still remember how young we were when my late mother passed on. As for when my mother passed on, how could we have gotten such an advantage to acquire such a land from my late father? My king, the land is mine. You are lying! How can I? You are lying!
Chief Eweka. What the hell?
We are not children, and we should behave with integrity.
Sorry.
Well, it is clear to all of us who the rightful owner of the land is. And I make bold to say that the land in question belongs to Chief Osawaru.
Exactly, Mike. Not very right.
Thank you, Mike.
I told you.
We shall see.
I don't remember so. Who see anything?
We shall see.
Guys, let's get out of here. The evil one is here. Maybe get out and keep that face to yourself. I blew you.
What is the matter? Why are you talking to yourself?
My daughter. What the old man sees when sitting, the child will never see, even if you climb the tallest tree.
Father, please talk to me, for your daughter is worried. Please.
My daughter, you will not understand. I know you are my only daughter.
Father, I can understand. Am I not your only daughter? Talk to me, please.
Don't worry.
God, yes, Your Majesty. Call me my daughter. Okay, Your Majesty. Where is she? She's on her way, Your Majesty. My dear, where walk by me, you are the only daughter I have. And you know you are not growing younger. And I also promised your late mother that he will be you for me. My daughter, I want you to get married and have grandchildren for me. I want to see my grandchildren when I'm alive.
Father, don't worry. Everyone is fine.
My dear, you come with me. I'll know him so that I'll know who my son-in-law is.
Okay, Father, I will.
There you know, yes.
Father, I will.
All right.
My princess, what's the matter? I hope there is no problem.
Yes, my princess. Is your heart troubled?
I don't know why my father is always bothering me with getting married.
Oh, my princess, you know your father is getting old and do not have a male child. So I think you better start looking for getting married, right?
Yes, she's right.
My princess, you know your father has sworn not to get married to another woman after the death of your mother. But my princess, you need to get married to save our kingdom and the throne.
I know all of that. But the problem now is, I have not found my true love. I've not.
Princess of our land, all pride, all beauty. Forgive me, my princess. What about the suitors that will come to seek my marriage? Please consider a further situation and pick one of them.
Yes, my princess.
My princess, make him happy.
What seems not to understand?
You do.
I have not found that person that my heart beats for. Someone that can take good care of my father's throne when he's not here. I have not found that person. You know, my princess. Just let your heart decide, okay? Yes, my princess. She's right. Just let your heart decide.
Sure.
I've heard all of you. Let's take a walk.
My princess. You are looking good these days though.
Same with you.
Hey, my princess. Before I forget, you will not believe what I saw. Where did you see? 3 days ago, I was on my way to my boyfriend's house. I saw a car parked at the side of the road. My princess, you need to see this car. When you looked this car, when I looked at the guy that was inside this car.
Oh no, ma. Have you forgotten you have a boyfriend?
What is it? Money. Someone you know nothing about. You just want to go and follow him. Just this switch. My princess, better be careful. Money is involved.
I would love to have a word.
Go ahead.
I meant in private.
I know we've discussed this before. I really love you and I would love to get married to you.
I have told you before.
Why my princess?
Your intentions are there. You don't want to leave, but you want to.
That's not true. You see, I really love you and I want you to be like me. And I understand.
Now you listening to this? I will not get married to you. In fact, no youth in this community is qualified because you all want my father's throne. And it can never be yours. Excuse me.
My princess.
Hey, I'm working now. What's happening?
Why is it that the king does not have a son? Our king did not remarry after the death of his wife. And the princess, no intention of getting married at her age.
Hey, well, only the gods have answers to your question too.
I know. That's what you will always say anytime I bring up issues for us to discuss.
Yeah, yes now. Because you always broadcast rubbish into my ears.
See, Samuel, don't insult me. Because I brought up issues to discuss as friends.
Hey, please, don't be offended. As you can see, I was working before you came in. So I want to continue, okay?
Samuel.
Yes?
I heard you are owing her. And she's not giving him.
Hey, will you get out from this place?
Is it because you are black?
Come and come with me. Okay, I should come and woo you. You're not a princess, why will I woo you? Stop working.
Greetings to you, my king. Thank you very much.
This one you are looking good and sweet. I hope all is well.
Yes, my king. Everything is perfectly well, my king. My king, I actually brought this for you.
This for me?
Yes, my king.
I hope all is well.
Yes, my king. My king, my son actually saw a beautiful flower in your palace. I want to take it home.
The guy where in the room took us much. Okay. Which of the flower are we talking about? Is it the one at the garden or the one at the gutter?
My king, what now we're talking about is your beautiful daughter.
Oh, you mean my beautiful daughter? Are you sure the son is ready to take my daughter as a wife?
Yes, my king.
Very sure?
Yes, my king.
Why are you here? Just tell me in 3 days time I should get ready for the promotion.
Thank you, my king.
Why I talk to my daughter?
Thank you. I'm highly delighted. Thank you so much.
More glory. I want to call you at time.
You're right, my king. So I have to go and talk to my son. I have to take my leave now. No problem. Thank you so much.
Well, call my daughter.
Okay, Your Majesty.
The one I want to
Wow.
Father, this is when you're praising me like this.
You know you are my only daughter. And you want everything that passes you along with you. Instead, you know I want the best child as a daughter. Tomorrow, somebody's coming to find Nosa. Don't tell me no, because that is the type of man I want for my daughter.
Father, I'll have to think about it.
Because tomorrow is just hours from now. My beautiful daughter. So, babe, I'm not better to set you where you want to because I don't want anything to hold my baby. Okay? Oh, well, you know I'm good. Don't be. Because this is the son of one of my chief. Osawe. Oh, we all got no marriage.
My
I'm
princess.
scared.
My princess. Why are you scared?
My father wants me to get married to a man I have not even seen.
My princess. But why on earth would your father want you to get married to somebody you've not seen or talked to?
He just wants me to get married and bear children for him.
My princess. Cheer up. Don't let that bother you.
Please help me to talk to her. She has not.
My princess. You've not been eating.
How do you expect me to eat?
You've not been eating for days. Is the problem going to solve like that? Please, my princess. Just promise me when you get home you're going to eat.
He betrayed me. He betrayed me.
Honestly, I wasn't expecting that from the king, especially as you assured me that the king is on your side.
Of course. I gave him presents. I gave him money. Yes, he betrayed me. What do we do?
The king wants to rob you of your sleep. You're not a baby. You're not going to just sit back there and wonder what you're going to do. I know you're a lion.
Oh, monowera Nigeria. Now that the king has decided to rob me of my sleep, he too will not sleep.
Chief Eweka, we both know that there are 3 sacred things we forbid in this world. Stealing.
Yes, stealing.
Touching the king's staff. As well as raping.
So what are you suggesting?
We'll make you commit one. I may be young,
That
rich in wisdom.
is the idea. That is the idea. That is the idea. How do we do that?
Go to the queen. Chief Eweka, I do. You got my back. Like every other time.
I shall walk on your mouth.
Yeah, make you day or later.
See your mouth, see your mouth. It's like waiting pen and pen. I like that. Okay, come. No, you still take.
What? Ah, Jesus. See.
I know sweet. When you carry a shower in your body, I know sweet.
God go bless it, Eweka.
You go bless him because he give you a shower. Is that do? Is that do now? She waiting there. Now mama begin to throw for you. But I'm not going to. I want to sit down. I think I listen. Don't give her belly.
You are looking more pretty every day. Oh, thank you. My princess. Yes. I have something to tell you. Oh, I'm safe.
My princess, do you really know that you and your mom have no place in this kingdom?
And what do you mean by that? Your mom have no male child. When the king dies today, only the male child, which is Queen Osawaru's son, will be the next king. And you know what that means, my princess. That's what I'll do. You're right, my friend. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I think I shall have my plan. Thank you very much.
Hello, Cochado. Imam bien laborers. Where go kwa? Imam bien laborers. I'll be in this chapel. More than 1 hour now. Imam bien laborers. Et 2 million for. Imam bien laborers. Where is the money? Who work by what? Who work by? Who work by what? Hello.
Marky, you be. You are Grace. Okay.
Who be honest?
Bros, not the shot. Go here.
What did they do? I tell you the last time when I was there, saying that they build up for this place. Who give you the help?
Marky, slap this wish for me. You dey look and slap her. Slap this girl.
Wait, you slap my girlfriend.
You dey craze? Ma slap you when you go pass your age.
Wait, be like that. Wait. Who was where? Who are these guys?
You don't do introduction.
I'm going to move out the boss. Oh, where are they move out?
Kneel down for here. Kneel down for here. The craze. The craze.
Jump.
You know we be.
They jump, yes, they jump.
If you talk anyhow now.
Hey,
guy, leave her. No.
Continue.
Hey, shut. You don't say about slapping.
They're jumping. Expect you jump.
The craze. You know, shut up. Kneel down. Kneel down for there.
Make I tell you something. Advice is money. Bros are back.
You see the shape?
I will be a pirate boys. Oh, before you start to do anything for this community, you know, because you don't finish. Next time, make I go catch you here again. Oh, I go tear you. I go tear this guy.
Yeah.
Oh.
You don't look me. You don't look me. Look me for head.
Why this guy carry hair for head? Why you carry hair? Why you carry hair for head?
Daddy, show me.
This is your final one. Next time we will see you for this place. See you for no cost. We not go pay your dues here. I go off this cigar for your hair. I go.
Yeah, I want me you hold this thing. Yeah, me don't come see you now. More bookie.
Leave this man. Leave this man.
Princess, you look worried, my dear.
Mother, sorry.
Please sit. My dear, what is it?
Mother, there's something I want to tell you.
To me.
Mother, do you know we have nothing in this palace?
You make me laugh, my dear. I can't imagine Queen Osawe outshining me, Queen Ehimwenma, in this palace. A palace I suffered to build before she ever came in. No, it will not happen. I think I will do something about this. I'll discuss with the Queen.
Yes, Mother. Yes, that is what we have to do.
It's alright. Just keep your cool.
Yes, Mother. Thank you, Mother.
Stronger. You go get power passing 4 times. You go beat crowd.
You go make me grab.
You don't make you grab, but you go beat crowd. This charm, they go cut you, you don't go enter.
Wow.
They go shoot you, you don't go enter. They go they knock you, you don't go feel them.
I don't need that.
Now me do one for you. Take him.
No. All that guy will match me for set yesterday. I feel beat them now.
This is not your revenge.
Okay, I feel beat them now.
You go give them double.
Double? How much I owe you now? 10,000. For this thing?
Nah. See, wait till they here. Not be this thing. Now wait till they the power when they inside.
Okay, now no problem. But you know the problem. I will give you 20k if you work.
Let me tell you, you may go work. Now you will come back. You even want to join.
No problem. Now I move. After I go work on another. No matter. I shall see you, bro.
My queen, since you don't know that this is going to be when Prince Osawe become the king, what are we going to do?
Mother, I think we should talk to Chief Eweka. Since he is not in agreement with the king, what do you think, Mother?
Princess, Mother, we have to use Chief Eweka. Yes. Princess, you are the one that will do this now. You will now go and tell your friend, Eweka, that your mothers want to see her father immediately.
I will do just that.
And they should have arranged a place for our meeting.
You go to the palace,
Look at what about here. Eh? Where is she? You don't know your highness.
Your Highness, she's either fucking her nose.
I implore you to go and look for her. Anywhere she is, go and bring her back to the palace. Nobody should step into this palace. Now get out.
My queen.
Yes, my darling.
Have you noticed of late the steps of Queen Osawaru in this palace? The way she flaunts herself around like a demigod. Of course not. Because she has a supposed a male child. Will you sit here and watch her do all of that? God forbid.
God forbid. Then I have discussed this matter with you before. Now that you brought it out again, you will not come together as one. I'll send her to where she belongs.
There's a saying in that occurs don't grow tall at all. You heard it. I'm caught. Well, that is why we have Eweka here.
Exactly.
Representing her father. Due to the differences between his the king
yes.
and Chief Eweka,
yes.
he can't actually come here. That is why he sent his daughter in disguise.
Yes.
Eweka, my queen, hope you know your role in this deal.
Yes, my queen. My father told me that I'll handle the prince myself.
Let's drink to that. Let's do so.
And what was the dream?
I saw Chief Eweka chasing him with a machete.
No, Mom, it's true.
Imasekha can kill. And besides, it's just a dream. You have nothing to fear. Just go to your room and relax.
Okay, Mom.
You have nothing to fear.
Okay, Mom. Thank you, Mom. I love you, Mom.
I love you too.
Where is she?
We couldn't find her, Your Highness.
Then why did you come back?
Your Highness, we even went to neighboring village before, but we couldn't find her.
Then why did you come back?
Your Highness, you able to search for her, Your Highness.
They go and join them!
Yes, Your Highness.
And if you can't find her, none of you should come to this palace. No, Nobody should come to this palace.
My queens, it's been ages we've not celebrated ourselves in this palace. The gods have kept us in unity, good health, and in love. I think this calls for celebration. That's my friend. Please, let's drink to that. Drink that. And toast to it.
All right.
It's okay. But you will not finish. I will take it along with me.
Alright. That is my queen. Oh, my queen, please, I'm coming. I want to check something on the file.
Finish.
What happened to my queen?
He's dead.
Hey!
You're finished.
Let me help you to carry her. Let's see.
My prince, why are you crying? You look moody.
Now that my mother is gone, who will be there for me? I have nobody. Nobody.
My prince, I'm always there for you. If you need anything, you can come to me as your mother.
But she's everything I have on this earth. She's everything.
You need not worry, my prince. Come to me whenever you need anything.
Your Majesty.
Yes, dear.
One more thing. Can I call you my mother?
Sure, my prince. Call me mother. I have asked the maiden to put your food in the room. Go and eat before your food gets cold. Now that your mother is dead, you are the next in line.
Gods of the land, why will you allow the enemy's hook to come to pass? Why is all this happening to me? Why? Why would I this Queen society die? Why is there a sheep that is taken away from me? Why? Whosoever the killer is will not know peace. Peace shall endure to him.
Greeting to you, my king. What is it? You've been just talking to yourself. Oh, is it because of Queen Osawaru that you are like this? Let me just advise you. She's dead. She's no more coming back. I think it is high time for you to forget it.
That is what I am talking about. That is my pain. Why she? Why will it be she that is taken away from me? She's the one that puts smile on my face. She's the one that wipes away my shame. She's the one that makes me happy at all times. She gave me a male child. I hear her parent and say she that is taken away from me. Why?
My king, I know. But you cannot change what the gods have done.
That is why I say it. Why will the gods choose her? Why not they kill me?
Daddy, let me tell you, what time will you not get? I have told you before, you cannot challenge the gods.
It's okay.
Wait, what's time for them? Okay, that monkey. Shoo? You a place who is a job for? What did they come for that? Okay, it's in the Give me your letter, man. Smoke this thing.
My prince, what's the problem? You're not looking happy. Is everything alright?
Since I lost my mother, I don't understand the princess anymore. Her attitude towards me, I don't understand her.
My prince, don't let that bother you. It's just a matter of time. Very soon you become the king. And all these things will be a thing of the past. Please, my prince, just be patient. If not for any other thing, for my sake.
Talking about that useless prince because I don't know where he is.
Princess, so much hates me.
I hate that boy with passion. I know, my friend. That's the more reason why I choose you to be my PA. Do you know what? The sight of that boy makes me want to strangle him to death.
Shouting for help.
Yes, my prince. I can hear it.
And the sound is coming from this way. Let me go and check.
No, my prince. Let me go. It is my duty.
No, let me go and check.
I can't do that, my prince. What if something bad happened to you? What will I have to tell your father, the king?
Okay, you go. Make sure you report to me at once.
Okay, my king. My prince.
Hurry up. Eweka! What happened? What are you doing here all alone?
Greetings, my prince.
We are okay. Are you okay? Are you fine? Okay, you're fine. Thank God. Okay, you can go home now.
Thank you, my prince.
So, as we were saying,
my queens and my princess, I called you because I want you to know, see this stuff in my head. It is very, very important and mysterious. So, nobody touches it. Not even the crown prince until he becomes king. Anyone touches this stuff, serious punishment for it, and that is banishment.
But, my king, you've not told us this before.
That is what I'm telling you now.
But, my king, why are you just telling us this?
But it is now time for you to know.
Father, why are you telling me this? I'm not a boy. You're supposed to be talking to the prince, not me.
My king, my princess is right. You are supposed to be talking to the prince, not us.
Yes, okay. But as we speak right now, the prince is not at home. And I am very much aware that the prince will never do it.
Father, don't don't trust anybody.
Okay. Women, enough of this discourse. You can leave me. I want to be alone. Go. Okay.
My king, what am I hearing? That the princess of our land is missing. I can't believe that. The last time I came to the palace, I told you, me and my son are coming here for the introduction. Just for me to hear that the princess is missing. My king, you know my son. He's very handsome. He's the actual person that fits this throne. And now the princess is missing. I think we should do something very fast so we can get the princess back. Come on.
I want to go.
Okay, we'll stay.
Prince, my king! Summon the entire royal family for me. The prince, the queens, the princess, everybody, I want them now! Quickly! My king, let them come.
My king, you settle.
Yes. The staff of peace is missing. So I want to go back to your rooms. Every nook and cranny in the palace, I want it searched and I want it found now.
My king, the prince is nowhere to be found.
No, let's go search. Hey, you can't come back here. Go and tell the town crier to spread it around the entire kingdom that the staff of peace is missing. And I want everybody to search their community. Now, you tell my chief that the staff of peace is missing. Search their homes and I want information now. I want that now. Go! Peace and dignity is missing.
What? My king, nothing to worry about. The gods will worship.
Whosoever is behind this.
Say, my king, if they have searched the village and they can't find the staff, it means the staff is in this palace. It means that we should send guards to search the palace properly.
Oh my king, we have searched everywhere.
Quiet! Search again. Go! Search everywhere. You, check your princess room. Where did you find it?
My king, the something suddenly cut off your tongue. Speak more before my king.
Can't you talk?
Speak for.
He said, Prince
My king, he wanted to sell it. He knew the white men that came the other day wanted to buy it from you, so he took it to sell it. A crown thief.
Chief Eweka,
My queen, please, you know the punishment for this.
My king, I plead for mercy. Yes, my king. Please, show him mercy.
Your Majesty, please have mercy.
Have mercy.
Mercy, Your
Please.
Majesty.
Prince, you know what this entails. You know our customs and tradition.
My king, we all know that our land has been notable for something very, very, very good. We respect our custom and tradition. Now that the deed has been done, we want justice to prevail.
It's all right. In line with the custom and tradition of our land, I have no choice than to denounce him as prince. Every right accruing to him as a prince of this land is hereby dethroned today.
Of our land. What have I done? Look at the shame, the insult. Oh, gods of our land. First of all, you took my own precious mother away from me. Imagine me. My own father disowned me. I will never go to that palace again.
You can see that the kingdom does not have a crown prince, a heir to the throne anymore.
Do not think like that. The gods know what to do.
Did I hear you say the gods? When my queen died and my prince, the heir, now is disowned, and I know he did not do it. He can never do it.
My great king, the God will soon bless you with more children. My king.
I know, but I love my son. I love him with a passion. And I know he is innocent.
I know that, my king. Nothing to worry about. The gods, they are not sleeping.
But I say again, whosoever is behind these things will never, ever have peace.
My king.
Call me the princess.
sweet, brother Asha.
Who are you?
Who are you?
My name is Osawe, and I'm from neighboring village. I decided to be left alone. That's why I came this far. So who are you?
I'm Princess Nosa.
So what are you doing here?
Well,
So all my efforts towards hospitality and praise was the benefit of Queen Ehimwenma. It can't happen. No. It can't. I have to have my own children, my own child, especially boy, in this palace. Yes. Eweka have to do it. He cannot deny it because we started it together and we are going to end it.
Is that not the princess?
Yes. And who is that behind her?
Maybe it's the man that kidnapped her.
Exactly.
Yes, you. You are the one that kidnapped our princess.
Hey, my friend, move.
Move it.
You are the one that kidnapped
our princess. You are the one that kidnapped our princess.
can you stop that? What is going on? It's okay.
What's going on here?
Let's go with them.
Let's go. Move it. Move it.
Let's go.
Let's go to my
Let's go
kingdom.
to our palace.
My princess. My princess, come.
Move it. Move.
Princess,
Move.
princess.
Stop eating him.
Okay, my princess, move.
My princess, come. What's going on here? I'm innocent. I'm innocent. I'm innocent. My name is Prince. I'm Osawe.
Why you call the runner? May you talk to me now. May you talk to me now. Wait up. Yeah, you sure say that the killer. You sure say that the killer. You really sure see your ass here.
Yes.
Okay. Where you call the run, you go now. Where you call the run, you go. Where you the run, you go.
I'm going to the palace to tell the princess.
I am making you go palace, go tell her. No, I go see your guy. Yes, Your Majesty. We caught them in the bush.
That's not true.
Who called? Yes, Your Majesty.
Please pardon him. He's innocent. Father, please.
So, take care of yourself.
My princess, please calm down. My princess.
What is it? Talk to me, what is it?
My mother is dead.
They are fine. I'm not happy with my father. But why, my princess? He is detaining my love. Who is your love? That kidnapper? He's not a kidnapper. We're only looking for a way to come home before the guards and the ladies find us. But my dad has refused to listen to me. I love him so much. I don't know. Maybe if you accompany me to go and talk to him, he might want to listen to you. Anything for you. Let me just quickly go and put something to you.
But my princess, are you sure you're making the right decision?
I am very sure. The way I feel for him, I have never felt like that before.
I just hope so.
Excuse me now, let me go and put some things together and come later and go together.
Please just stay now.
Hi, no problem.
Move.
I'm sorry.
Where is the Eweka?
My king, Chief Eweka, murdered himself.
Eweka killed himself?
Yes, my king.
Then what is she waiting for? Take her away and take care of her.
Yes, my king. Get up.
Move.
Please forgive me. Forgive me.
Get up. Move. My princess.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Why?
I'm sorry, Father.
Is that not doing well to you?
Father.
Why do that to you?
Father, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Because I already don't see me. They are watching.
Father, I don't know why you don't want to hear from me and know my laptop. I have feelings for him. If you doubt me, you can hear from him.
The kidnapper?
He did not kidnap me. I left on my own. Please, Father.
I really love you.
Yeah, I do.
Are you sure?
Father, I'm very sure of that.
This is the first time you've ever loved a man, and I promise you I'm not going to hurt you. Never mind. Come for me.
Are you serious? Okay, I'm fine.
I'll tell your father what now. Now I know who you are. I'm in full support of you marrying my daughter.
Thank you, sir. I'm very grateful.
Okay, now,
Thank you, sir.
I now know I have a son-in-law.
I might visit your kingdom.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, so really see your father so I can explain to him.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Father.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
What's a life? Evil that men do. Talking about the prince. He's in another kingdom. As the king. Look at me. because of the evil deeds. I lost my mom. And now my father is with heart in life. I'm really ashamed of myself. Joining my father to do all those evil acts. I'm ashamed of myself. Doing these evil things with my dad. Look at where it landed me now. I have no father. Princess, whatever is so,